Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing the scene. Close the cylinder valve fully and make sure any appliance is off so no gas flows. You disconnect the supply hose next, holding it steady to avoid kinking or sudden torque on the connector. Once done, step back and inspect the regulator and hose for visible damage. You need a safe, quick look before lifting. Make sure you have gloves and eye protection on and that the area is well ventilated to prevent gas buildup. With the valve closed and hose free, position yourself with firm footing and support the cylinder from the base. For heavy units, use 2 people to prevent strain. You then loosen the regulator nut with a suitable wrench, turning counterclockwise slowly to release tension and prevent sudden gas hiss. Once the regulator is clear, lift the cylinder straight up using your legs, not your back, and carry it in an upright position. This prevents valve damage and keeps internal pressure stable as you move it. After positioning the cylinder on a stable, level pad away from heat or ignition, fit a new regulator or hose if you saw damage. This ensures a proper seal on reinstallation. You should always test connections with soapy water. Bubbles indicate leaks, so you catch issues before use. If you find a leak, close the valve immediately, move the cylinder outdoors, and do not create sparks. Then call your supplier or a qualified technician. This simple check.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.